seatbelts clearly fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the fasten seatbelt light has been turned off by the captain. At this time, please ensure that you have all of your personal belongings and please be careful when opening those overhead bins, as contents may have shifted during flight. Please do not smoke until you have reached a designated smoking area outside of the terminal. For those of you who gate check their bags and got that little green ticket, your luggage will be available for you on the jet bridge. The ground agents will be bringing your luggage to you. For those of you on connecting flights, your checked bags will automatically be transferred. United and Starlink's partner flights depart from various terminals, so please check the airport monitors for the most accurate gate information. If Houston is your final destination, you may pick up your checked baggage at the baggage claim area. On behalf of United, the Starlines Network, and your entire flight crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us this afternoon. We hope you had a pleasant experience, and we look forward to serving you again soon on another United Express flight. We wish you a pleasant stay here in the Houston area or wherever your travels may take you. You are now free to use your cell phones in transmit mode. Larger devices such as laptops must remain stowed until we are parked at the gate. Once again, for your safety and all safety of those around you, please remain seated with those seatbelts clearly fastened until we are parked at the gate and the captain has turned off that middle seatbelt light. Thank you, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of the evening.